So I'm Joshua from Avalon Bushcraft, and what we're doing basically here at the Wilderness Gathering is a combination of your sort of normal bushcraft skills along with some primitive technology. So we've got Michael down here doing some flint knapping. In here we've got sort of a display of various things dating from the Mesolithic right through to the Neolithic and the early Bronze Age. Also got some knives up for sale too. The sort of demos we're doing here are mainly going to be focused around flint work. So we've got some arrows that we've been making, as well as friction fire, so bow drill, hand drill, all those kind of things. So what we're doing is we're trying to educate people about history and all the skills involved with it, as well as just showing off our crafts with the bows, the knives, and yeah, so far it's been a great show though. Really nice weather, really good turnout, and great to catch up with some amazing, lovely people.
Do you mind showing me some knives?
Yeah. Come and have a look at some of the knives.
This is made of?
So these knives are made from ABL, stainless steel, and the handle on this one in particular is stabilised elm burl from Holland. And then we've also got G10 liners and loveless bolts to hold the whole thing in place. I find that the fact that they've got a mechanical fit adds a lot more strength in comparison to a pin. And also it gives that nice sort of bird's eye effect. So this one is called the Kestrel. Again, it is made out of ABL stainless steel. This one is a bit more simply designed for your carving work, your craft work. It's in a 3mm blade stock as opposed to a 4mm blade stock, which makes it a bit lighter and a bit nicer to just carry on your belt.
Heavy hat, because that's heavier hat than.
Cool. Is there anything you want to talk about here?
It's more just examples, so I was saying earlier about how it... So if you want to find my work, you can find me at avalonbushcraft.co.uk or Fired Woods on Instagram. That's FYRD_woods on Instagram. Thank you very much.